Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we are going to solve this exponential equation. Please, if you are new here, kindly do subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Thank you. So let's get started. We have 9 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 3 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 26. So the first step here is to write this 9 to the power of x at its index. So therefore we have 3 to the power of 2 x minus 1 all over 3 to the power of x plus 1, which is equal to 26, right? So from the law of exponent, when we have a to the power of v, x is equal to a to the power of x v, right? So apply this to the numerator. Therefore 3 to the power of x squared minus 1 all over 3 to the power of x plus 1, which is equal to 26. 3x squared minus 1. So therefore rewrite the numerator as difference of 2 squared. Then we have 3 to the power of x minus 1, 3 to the power of x plus 1 divided by 3 to the power of x plus 1, which is equal to 26. So from here we can see that 3 to the power of x plus 1 get cancelled with 3 to the power of x plus 1, and we left with 3 to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 26. Now from this step we can collect the like terms. Then 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 26 plus 1. When this negative 1 crosses this equality sign, it will become positive. Therefore we have 3 to the power of x is equal to 27. Now from this step we have 3 to the power of x here. So how many times, if we multiply 3, it will give us this 27. So we have 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27, meaning that is 3 times. So 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now we have the same basis. We can equate the exponent. We have the same basis. We can equate the exponent. So therefore x is equal to 3. We can check the value of x equals to 3 from the original equation.